Okay, hi guys, Voinski from Finding Keto Joy, and today we're going food shopping, right? What do I buy? Our house is basically out of food, so we're doing Costco and Shoprite, which for those of you that do both, it's a whole day. You know this, right? And pro tip, I always park right by the carts because then I can just put it back and I don't have to walk all over the parking lot when I'm done. So I'm at Costco, there's a lot of people here, I'm already getting anxiety. We're gonna hop in, we're gonna get some of the basics that I got from Costco. I'll show you some stuff. We're gonna go to Shoprite, we're gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna get a whole bunch more stuff at Shoprite, and then when we get home and I unload it all, we'll go through it and we'll give you guys some ideas about things that you could be grabbing, what a basic haul for me is, and we'll get this keto thing going, all right? Okay, Costco. Okay, there you go. Parmesan cheese crisps, perfect. And we're grabbing coffee because we ran out the other day and I couldn't have my bulletproof coffee or my keto cream coffee and I was very upset. So, Dunkin' Donuts, the best. Okay, butter time, Kerrygold, pure Irish butter. I'm so short. Okay. Guys, I'm so short and this is so difficult. Okay. Bam, got one. I'm probably gonna grab two. See you later. I have plenty of cream cheese, but normally I would grab some of that. Do not get fat-free, get regular. Is this super weird that I'm filming my entire trip? People think I'm crazy. Just hope you know that. Okay, we're grabbing eggs. You can get organic or regular, whatever your budget is. I'm getting regular. Always have eggs because you can always use them in everything. So I always make sure now that I have like an excess of eggs. I always buy way too many, but I use them, so I guess it's not too many. Salmon. Okay, one thing that we do that we both love is the kids love Bubba Burgers and I love Bubba Burgers. I'm trying to see if they have the ones that we like. Yep, right here. And so Bubba Burgers are actually great because you can just eat them without the bun. You can do bacon and cheese on them. They're amazing. So we're getting some Bubba Burgers, hopefully getting ready for summer and grilling and all of that. Okay, this spinach and artichoke dip is baller. Cut up some cucumbers, celery, dip it in there. It's great, it's a perfect snack, perfect for your lunch. You can just add other stuff to it. And I always grab a rotisserie chicken because you can make anything with it. So even if I don't eat it tonight, I can just shred it and save it. And at Costco, it's super cheap. So that's what we're doing. I already have salad, otherwise I would do that. I got my kids mini bell peppers. So we're gonna grab some bell peppers in here. I'm also gonna grab some broccoli and some cucumbers. So we're gonna do that. Cucumbers, I got these cute little ones that my daughter loves. Okay, avocados, a must. So these are kind of like ready to go. So I'm gonna get these. And I always get ones that are like really hard, because they're just magical and they decide to break them whenever they want. So at least we have more. Alright, this is a lot. Let's see. What else do we need? I think we're almost done here, guys. Okay, so Costco is done. I'm now at Shoprite. I'm gonna see if you can see it in the background. Shoprite. I'm gonna grab my Shoprite quarter because everyone should save their Shoprite quarter in their cars, right? So, got it. Okay, so here I probably have to get more stuff for my kids. I'm not going to buy sour cream or cream cheese because I already have those. So normally I would, so that would be on there. I'm not going to buy riced cauliflower. I already have that. But I am, when I get in there, I'm going to show you my favorite frozen mashed cauliflower. It's a little expensive, but it's super worth it because I haven't been able to figure out yet how to make it on my own and have it taste really good. So I got to figure that out. All right, so Shoprite's going to be crazier and we're going to see how it goes. All right. Okay, so already have some of this, I'm not gonna buy it, but this is my favorite. Let's see if you can see them here. Okay, so about 4, oh, there we go. Okay, so yeah, 5 minus 1, 4 net carbs, it's yummy. Okay, so zucchini noodles. I like getting them already done, less work for me. I also grab some mushrooms and some lemons. Best dressings right here. Okay. Amazing. Amazing. You don't want the light one. I also use this one. So good. I have a whole bunch of these still at home.
Okay.
We're gonna say hi.
Oh,
you're gonna be
hi.
in a video.
Oh, no, I don't want to be in a video.
On YouTube.
No, I don't want to be.
Yeah, it's gonna be great. Just say hi.
Hi.
We're going food shopping today.
Oh, I'm food shopping today.
Okay. Okay, so my plan is to get some ribs, and this is my favorite barbecue sauce, so I'm gonna get some. It's sugar-free. Okay, I mentioned it in one of my other videos, so I'm gonna get the honey flavor. I'm gonna get the maple brown flavor because I haven't done that yet, which is made only 2 carbs per serving. So these are awesome. So this is G. Hughes Smokehouse sugar-free barbecue sauce. You definitely want to grab some of that. Going through Shoprite is a little more weird than going through a Costco. Not gonna lie. Okay, so I'm gonna see now if they have the ribs, and I have veggies at home, so that's why I didn't grab any asparagus or Brussels sprouts. I have that stuff at home already. Okay, so again, getting stuff for myself and my kids, but Christian cheese, boom, get full fat, not fat for you ones. Shredded cheese also at home. I got my Harry pulled butter at Costco. Now I'm just gonna go to the frozen food section and we are done. Okay, so this is my favorite mashed cauliflower. It's frozen. It's called Alexia. It's amazing. It's really, really good. It says it's 3 servings. John and I usually just split, so we do like a serving and a half each. It's so good. So I get that. I also have some other frozen braised cauliflower at home. I have frozen green beans at home already. I'm kind of stocked with that. I had to get the kids some things, and we are good to go. So I'm gonna check out, and then we're gonna head home and see how everything looks. Okay, we are home, and I unpacked everything, and we're gonna show you one more time just some of the stuff that I got and kind of maybe like what I'm gonna use it for. And then I wish you guys the best of luck when you go food shopping. So here we go. Okay, so eggs, spinach and artichoke dip from Costco. I love Italian sausage, so I got Italian sausage. I'm gonna make that with the zucchini noodles with some Alfredo sauce. I got a bunch of avocados, Bubba Burgers, vegetables, bell peppers, broccoli. These cheese whisks are great for the spinach and artichoke dip too, because you can use them to dip or you can cut up the cucumbers. I got some salmon. I haven't been a big salmon person, but I got it, and I got some lemons to go with it. And we're gonna look up some Pinterest recipes and try to figure it out. Kerrygold, pure Irish butter, amazing. Pepperoni. I got my berries, strawberries, blueberries, string cheese, mostly for the kids. Lemon, romaine lettuce. You can do so much with that. You can make a salad, but then you can also just use it for like when you're making a Bubba Burger if you wanted to make kind of a bun out of it. And then you've got your mushrooms, heavy cream, which I use every day because I use it with my chocolate swirl ketone when I mix that with coffee. And then I've got the cute little cucumbers for my daughter, big cucumbers for us. Okay, so remember I said I loved coffee, so I bought this at Costco, and then this is amazing coffee, and it was on sale at Shoprite, so I got some of that too. I did find some ribs. We're gonna crock pot that with the sugar-free barbecue sauce, so good with a veggie. I got my bacon, and I got my rotisserie. I always grab a rotisserie. It's just so much easier. So that's it. That was our grocery haul at Costco and then Shoprite. If this video was helpful for you, just go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell, and you'll get notified of new videos and content as it comes out. Love helping you guys and just sharing my keto lifestyle with you as I go about it. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.